Ayan, hi babe, happy birthday. Ayan, inuman na. 25 years and my life is there, trying to get up that with me got up for our destination. I realized quickly when I knew I should that the world was made up of this brotherhood of mine, for whatever that means. Ayan, hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening dito sa ating munting tahanan. TMR na pinanguluhan ng ating magandang owner na si Inday Charing, co-owners, co-admins, mga admins, sabog listeners, and tambayers, no? Ayan, babatiin ko lang yung ating kapatiran dito na nag-iisang head admin Oye dito sa ating tahanan. Ayan, happy birthday sa iyo, babe, at naway lumigaya ka sa araw na inyong pagsilang, no? Sana marami pang kandel ang dumating sa iyong buhay, no? Ayan, take care, be safe, good health. God will always guide you kung ano mang mga plano mo sa buhay, kung saan ka man ngayon naroroon. Ayan, happy birthday once again sa'yo. Ayan, mayo nga pala ang lawig nagmamahal ng katibar mo. Ayan, bye-bye, love.